Hey friends, it's Rachel with the Ponds Farmhouse, and today I'm going to be sharing some fun Christmas decorations with you. I'm actually going to be using some architectural salvage to create some Christmas ornaments and some other Christmas decorations for around the house this holiday. I've been collecting some old spindles and little corbels and just all different kinds of pieces here from when we have gone to Wilmington to Legacy Salvage. And so all of these pieces are kind of chippy and fun, and I really don't want to destroy the integrity of them. So I can't wait to show you what I'm doing. They're still going to have a little sparkle and shine, but they're not going to be painted reds and greens. So anyway, just hang on and I'll show you exactly what we're doing. Okay, I'm back, and the first thing that we need to do is add some little eye hooks to the ends of the spindles, because these we want to be able to attach some crystals to it, and we want to be able to tie it onto the Christmas tree. So I'm just quickly going ahead and putting these in. Some of these do require a little pilot hole being drilled in it in order to get them started. But for the most part, most of them went in fairly easily. So it didn't take long to get them going. Once they get started, you probably do need a pair of needle nose pliers in order to be able to twist it in, because my fingers are just not strong enough to do it without the pliers. So anyway, this is quick and easy. Get these little eye hooks in, and then we're going to be ready to move on to the next step. For this step, I'm just using a small paintbrush and some Elmer's glue, and I have decided that I'm going to add a little glitter to just these little rings that are on the center of the spindle. I don't want to completely destroy the integrity of these really good little finials. I like the chippy paint on them. So what I'm doing is just adding this glue here, and if you'll notice, what I'm doing is I'm just putting it on one direction and then turning it and going to the other direction with it. Now that I have the glue where I want it, I'm ready to go ahead and add some glitter. And I'm just using some really fine silver glitter here, just to give it a little bit of shine. You just sprinkle it over the glue and it will adhere to it. And you just kind of tap it off and you're done. And I also have these smaller finials that I'm using, and I'm doing the same thing. On this one, though, I'm actually putting the glue on the two ends, and we're going to go through the same process of putting the glue on and then sprinkling it with the glitter, and so that they'll kind of match when we put them on the tree. Okay, now we're just going to add some ribbon, and I have this really nice double-sided velvet green ribbon that I'm just going to run through the top of the first little eye hook here, and we're going to use that to tie it on. And then I'm adding these gorgeous chandelier crystals that I picked up at Legacy Salvage in Wilmington. And isn't that gorgeous? It's just going to look stunning on the tree. It's actually about 18 inches long. And so these are going to be really a statement piece on the Christmas tree. They turned out really cute. They look like super long earrings.